Hola, Case. ¿Qué tal? Aquí es muy bien. Ah, más divertido. Pero, un, pero quiero, quiero. Una pregunta para tú. Eh, uh, do you want to play the game? It's actually an activity. Okay. Yo quiero jugar para tú. Es no divertido, pero es más... No, es no deportes, pero es más divertido. Okay, I have a fun game for you guys to play, and it kind of goes a little something like this. There's two parties and a mediator. Okay, the mediator really doesn't get to play. What you need to do is you need to split into two teams. After splitting into two teams, what you're going to do is you're going to number yourselves off. It has to be equal teams. So you have to number yourselves off from 1 to, say it's two teams of 11. Okay, and then the mediator person is going to have some kind of blanket or sheet or some kind of divider and hold it up and call out a number. Then two of the uh, competitors, so if they say they call out number 7, so both number 7s from both teams come up and stand on either side of this blanket. Now, when the mediator takes the blanket and throws it down, both people have to start talking. Doesn't matter what language, doesn't matter what you say, you can make up any story, and actually the more you yell at each other, the better, because it's very funny. Now everybody else can be a distractor and try to help that person mess up, but they can't say anything. It's actually more funny when they can't say anything, because then you can listen to the two people who are yelling at each other and actually what they are saying, because most of the times they aren't listening to what they're saying. It's really funny. Um, Let's see. Other rules, let's say you want to play to a number of wins. So you choose a number. 5 would probably be a good number. It takes a little bit of time. This game would be perfect for, say, a new exchange student reception luncheon thing that you guys are going to do. I hope to include a little video for you guys to watch as well. Okay, have fun.